Midwest Railcar Repair, located in Brandon, South Dakota, has been serving the rail industry since 1954. Today, the company operates a 115,000 square foot repair facility with more than 30 indoor railcar bays. They specialize in tank and hopper car repairs, certified tank qualifications, interior linings, exterior paint, and kosher certified cleaning. With over 100 skilled employees, Midwest Railcar Repair supports railroads across the Midwest with dependable service, mobile repair crews, and in-house metal fabrication. For more than 70 years, they've remained a trusted leader in railcar maintenance and repair.